Happy morning, children. Now we are going to see what is sensory detail and conflict. Okay, sensory details are words or phrases that appeal to our sense of sight, smell, sound, taste or touch. What are the five senses? Yes. So you have your eyes, hearing, eyes what we see, and the hearing and the touch and the smell and the taste. Okay, how can you bring it in your writing? Can you bring it in your writing? Can you taste a book? Not like that, la. So see, actually when we read something, usually a poet creates an image of the poem. When you read the poem itself, that image will come to your mind. Imagery we say. Same way, when you read something, that will create something which is creating to your senses. That is the eyes. Something like you are hearing. Some lines are specifically mentioned and you think about that sound. Then the sense of touch. Then some smell. Okay, the lines specified there, when you read that itself, that feel will come. All these five senses should be. Then only it will be a good book or something. Okay, so sensory details, when I give you examples you will understand that. Here some, sensory details are words or phrases that appeal to our sense of sight, smell, sound, taste or touch. When you read, what will happen? They create images in the reader's mind. Mind like image creator. Add sensory details, the stories. Why do they add? Authors add to make it more interesting and detailed. See here. This one. His eyes were shining like bright burning coal in the darkness. Shining like burning coal in the darkness. When you read that itself, eyes were shining. Something to the sight. As if we are seeing something. We feel that. That is a sensory detail of sight. Here. And the wind sang and the endless song of welcome. Wind sang. That sound we are imagining. Smell. How refreshing the breeze that blows through them. That smell is coming. Okay. So here see, his hands were pressed against his stomach from which blood was flowing. His hands were pressed. So pressed சொல்லும்போது அந்த touch, sensory detail is touch. This is the paragraph, sensory details from 3 questions. He breathed heavily. So what is that? Sound is coming. Sensory detail of sound. Okay, how refreshing the breeze that blows through them is a refreshing smell. Okay, there are five sense organs of sense: sight, sound, touch, smell and taste. Now you understood? Yes. Question answer we will see afterwards. Now these things I will be sending you and you have to write. Okay. This is how you have to write it. Conflict writing. I will give you an explanation for this. Just go through this. Who is involved in the conflict? Now Gopal and the Hilsa fish lesson. Who is involved in the conflict? The king and Gopal. What is conflict? I will explain. Type of conflict is man vs man. What is the conflict about? The king challenges Gopal to bring Hilsa fish to the palace without anyone talking about it. That is the challenge. Which events lead up to the conflict? The whole town, including the courtiers, are talking only about the fish and this irritates the king. What happens in the end? Gopal shaves off half his beard, smears ash on himself and tears his clothes. People are more interested in his appearance and don't notice the fish. Gopal wins the challenge and the king rewards him. Okay, this is the how you have to write it. You have to put columns like this. Okay, before that is before writing anything, what are the steps involved in writing? Ideating, drafting, editing, publishing. Ideating, drafting, and then one more thing is there. What is that? Yes, so after that you enhancing. Yes, ideating, drafting, editing, enhancing, and then publishing. After that only you are going to bring it in this form, paragraph form. How you have to bring? First the type of conflict, next about the conflict, then events that lead up to the conflict. First conflict na enna? Any problem. Okay, so what is the type of conflict? You have to write about the conflict, that events na do one by one. After that what happens, that is event. See here, types of conflict. Man vs man. Here man vs man, according to the lesson it will change. Okay, story. Man vs man, man vs nature, man vs society, man vs himself. Here it is man vs man. Who is involved in the conflict? The Gopal, king and the Gopal. Gopal and king. Type of conflict, the man vs man. What is the conflict about? The king challenges. So that is what we just now saw. Now see here, Chandini lesson. What kind of conflict takes place between Chandini and Abu Khan? So first you have to write graphic organizer. This is the graphic organizer. What you see here now is a graphic organizer. Who is involved in the conflict? Type of conflict. What is the conflict about? Which leads to the conflict? What happens in the end? See, who is involved in the conflict? Abu Khan and Chandini. Type of conflict, man vs man. What is the conflict about? Chandini wants to set herself free from Abu's house and go to the hills. Which events lead up to the conflict? Chandini stares at the hills and think about the fresh breeze on the hills. Abu wants to protect her from dying. What happens in the end? Chandini elopes from the window of the hut. She gets involved in a wild fight with a wolf. She gets badly hurt in the fight. See here. Man vs man, problem between the main characters. Man vs nature, struggle between character and the environment. Man vs society, a conflict between the character and the group of people. Man vs himself, a conflict behavior between the character and their own thoughts. Let us use this table to analyze the story and answer the following questions. See, this is what we discuss now. How Gopal lesson, how we have to write. This is the graphic organizer. After writing the graphic organizer, we will be writing a paragraph. First, this is the graphic organizer. After writing this, you will be able to write that in a paragraph way. There is a conflict between the two characters in the story, the king and the Gopal. The king challenges Gopal to bring a hilsa fish to the palace without anyone talking about it. See here, it is given in different colors. You can go through this. How you have to write it in a paragraph. Same way, this Chandini lesson also we can write. Okay. I'll send you the question answers. The next one is sensory detail. The question answers, how the sensory details you have to bring, that is also given. Okay, note it down and read, prepare for the quarterly exam. Thank you, children.